If you want to link your Facebook account to Gmail, you're in the right place. Whether it's for easier account management or to make your life a bit simpler, I guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in Gmail, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. Under the Accounts and Import tab, here you'll find the option to manage your email and account settings. Under the Account and Import section, look for Add a Mail Account or Add Account. Click on this to start the process of linking your Facebook account to Gmail. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter the email address you want to link. Enter your Facebook email address here and click Next. Now you'll need to choose whether you want to import emails from Facebook into Gmail or just link them. For full integration, select the import mails from any other account and click Next. After adding the account, you'll receive a verification email from Facebook. Then verify the email. You should be able to see Facebook emails in your Gmail inbox. You may also want to adjust the settings for how often Gmail checks for new emails from Facebook and other option based on your preference. To complete the process, make sure you have set up any necessary filters or labels in Gmail if you want to organize your Facebook emails. And there you have it, your Facebook account is now linked to Gmail. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.